The table below shows the number of athletes participating in a tournament from 2007 to 2013. We have our table of athletes from 2007 to 2013. What is the interquartile range of the data? Tricky when we get to interquartile. Now remember, interquartile range is not the difference between the largest and the smallest. That's just range. Interquartile means we have to look at the kind of the middle of the first half of the data and the middle of the second half of data and then find the difference there. The first thing we want to do for interquartile range is take these numbers here and put them in order from least to greatest. So I did that real quick right here. I've got them starting from 139 going all the way to 362, and I need to find the interquartile range. So the first thing to do is locate the middle of my data. So I'm going to count these numbers. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have 7 numbers. That means the middle number is going to be the fourth one, which in this case is going to be the 295. Now this would be the median if we needed to find the median. But we don't need to find it. We need to find IQR, interquartile range. So that means now I've separated my data into two halves. I have one there and one there. Now I need to find the middle of my first half of data. Well, the middle number is 236 right there. Then I'm going to find the middle of the second half. The middle of that one is 331. So all I need to do now is take these two numbers right here and subtract them. So I'm just going to say, what is 331 minus 236? So 331 minus 236. I think I have that right. I do. And let's do some subtraction here. They got them lined up. We do need to borrow right here and turn that into a 2. 11 minus 6 is 5. We can't do 2 minus 3. We need to borrow. So I'm going to come over here. That turns out to 12 minus 3, which is 9. And then I just have a 0 right there. So the answer is 95. The difference between the two is 95. Or the interquartile range, the IQR, equals 95.